Hi, welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week, brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik. I'm the project manager and marketing director. Every week, we'll bring you tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. This week, we're going to talk to you about renovation mistakes to avoid. You've just bought a new house, and you're all excited about moving in. It is the perfect neighborhood, and you love the incredible backyard. Even the bedrooms are spacious with big closets. You bought the house because you had a vision. Much of it was exactly what you wanted, and the rest of it, well, you can make it your own. That horribly outdated kitchen and the 1980 bathrooms have to go. The unfinished basement would be a perfect spot for your home office, and you could build a fabulous exercise room at one end of it. You're super excited about the possibilities and can't wait to get started. This type of scenario happens a lot. Clients are anxious to get started on their renovations, and because they can hardly wait, mistakes can happen. So let's learn about one mistake that we often see that you can easily avoid. One mistake we see a lot is homeowners will hire a contractor who has a great reputation but isn't the right fit for the job they need to have done. Just because someone is good at what they do doesn't mean they are the right person for the job. Lots of contractors are experienced and produce top quality work, but not all of them are the right fit for you and your renovation project. We recently worked with a client who had planned on hiring her neighbor to renovate her kitchen. She wanted him to expand the size of her kitchen and design and install a new kitchen for her. She just needed to hire us to do the electrical and plumbing. The project would have been a nightmare. Her neighbor worked for a builder, but what he did was finished carpentry, and it was a very specialized type of carpentry. He built all of the stunning circular staircases in all of the high-end custom homes the builder made. Her neighbor had incredible skill, but it was very specialized. She asked us to talk to him about the project before she finalized anything. He admitted he would never have accepted her offer for work. Although she knew he worked for a builder and his work was very much in demand, his skill set didn't even afford him the necessary skill to complete the job she wanted done. She ended up hiring him to build stunning kitchen cabinets, but hired Multi-Trade Building Services to do the rest of the construction. Do you want to learn more about reno mistakes that you should avoid? Be sure to check out my blog post, www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Just click on News, then click on 7 Mistakes Homeowners Make When Renovating. Thank you so much for joining us this week for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. Be sure to come back every week where you'll learn more great tips about how to have a successful renovation. See you next time.